All right, so now we are going to see the Kadane's algorithm implementation in TypeScript. Why do we use the Kadane's algorithm? What is the reason? So, see, the thing is like it is a dynamic programming algorithm, okay? And what happens is that, let's say there is a problem where you are given an array of numbers, and now you are given to like find the maximum sub of a contiguous subarray in a one-dimensional numerical array, okay, 1D array, not 2D array. In such kind of problem, you will be using the Kadane's algorithm. What it will do is that it will iterate towards all the elements, and then it will maintain first the current sum and then the maximum sum, which will depend on the current sum. Okay. This is just an example of a problem that we solve using the Kadane's algorithm. Okay, and when I will write code, you will understand how does it work for this particular problem, the maximum subarray. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So here, what our problem is that say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and -1, -3, 2, 55, 67, 83, 23, 45, like this. So this contiguous array can be like of any length, and it can be of any length, and we need to find the sum so that from start to end in a subarray, what will be the maximum sum? Okay, it can be this one, it can be this one as well. Okay, can be this one, like this, of any length. So, but how do we find this? And the length is dynamic. Okay, it's not static, it's dynamic. How are we going to solve it? That is where the Kadane's algorithm helps us. Okay, so I will write the code so that you can understand. I will write next subarray, and now I will have current sum 0. Okay, and now for let num of nums. First, I will have the current sum math.max current number, or this the sum of current number and the current sum, and max sum equals to math.max max sum current sum, and return max, and type undefined is not. So see, it will always be there, so write it like this. Okay, okay, now I will run this, and yes, 633. So calculate it from here to here, like this. Okay, start with calculating dynamically, and this is what it found. And if I console log as well, now current sum max sum, as you can see, it's three things how it is going. Okay, this is how it is maintaining. So we got current sum and we find the maximum of either the current element in this numbers array or the sum of current element plus the current sum. Okay, because this is going to be the contiguous subarray. Okay, that's why. And then the maximum sum will be either the current maximum sum or this current sum that we have calculated. And this is what we will get. So that is how this Kadane algorithm works in TypeScript. Okay. The main purpose here is to explain you how things work in TypeScript only. So if you are thinking that you are working on JavaScript and TypeScript, and if you want to do DSA, then you have to learn Java or C++ or Python, then it's not true, guys. You can do it in TypeScript as well. The main purpose is that only, to show you how you can work on certain stuff using TypeScript. Okay. Thank you guys and meet you in next video.